Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back in the shop messing with the Fox. We did some suspension upgrades and we're just going over some stuff and cleaning some stuff off. So we're gonna show you what's up. So let's have it. So we got the Fox on here. It's always a good thing to rotate the wheels, tires around if you got, if it's all the same size and not staggered. So this is the setup. It's not your typical setup you want to run with the pan hard bar, I guess. I still got the well, not factory uppers, but I still got the upper control arms in here. And we just did all new bushings. We put bushings in the rear, polyurethanes in the rear. So you usually want to use rubber because it gives better flex and whatnot. So the suspension upgrade we just did is we found these at a swap meet. Now these are supposedly Steeda lower control arms and they're aluminum, so we said why not? We got the lowers and the uppers at the swap, and then the uppers I guess are the steel or whatever, chromoly, I forget, but they're also Steeda. And while we were in there, we found the rear end bushing that was bad. We changed them all out. I guess you can see we got the polyurethane bushings, and then we also went with the spring isolators. See, we got the Maxim Motorsports Panhard bar up in there. You can see the polyurethane isolators, and down there, my old ones were beat up. And then what it also is a good upgrade when you do the disc brake conversion. These brackets right here I didn't have, and they're for a 94 to 04 Mustang. Because I had some cheapo control arms on here, SVE brand, and they held up pretty good. And I just wanted to go with a better setup. So this is what I ended up with, the Steeda. Well, while putting them on, nothing ever goes smooth. So the sway bar was hitting my panhard bar. These brackets, I guess, are moved back, which ultimately moves the sway bar back, and it was contacting right here. So what I had to do is some machinery, fabrication, engineer work, or whatever you want to call it. Buy a whole bunch of expensive drill bits because this is hardened metal. It's best to do it on a drill press to get your best results. But I drilled holes about a ½ inch back to make the sway bar work with my panhard bar and setup. So this is where it's sitting at now. Everything seems to be good. I also wanted to, while I was at it, check the torque on all the bolts, check the tightness on all the bolts, because I've had these in for not too long. I just recently got them installed and everything, and I have some miles on them. So it's always a good thing to go over everything when you got a car like this. And then Another tip for you guys, whenever you get under these cars and you want to make them more valuable and last longer, I suggest, or my suggestion would be to wipe everything down. You want to make it last, you got to keep it clean and take care of it. So, you know, I don't have a perfect car, as you could see, you know, but I try to keep it nice and clean, so that way it lasts and I have it for a while, and whoever has it next has it for a while. So this is kind of the front setup, and we might change it soon. I got some Cobra calipers, maybe do some braided brake lines. You can see in there. This is the three valve swap Fox. We just changed the rear suspension setup on. So this setup it does have some parts on it, man. As you can tell, tubular K-member, A-arms, lowering springs, bump steer, 5-lug swap, new edge. You know, we got some good bushings. And we never did the rear end. So now the rear end's got new control arms with good bushings. New polyurethane spring isolators, top and bottom in the rear. New upper control arms. And new poly bushings in the rear. So far so good. I just wanted to give you some content of some suspension upgrades that you might get out there new, or you might find at a swap. You want to upgrade your Fox, or you want to upgrade your stock ones. I got a deal on this combo because it's pretty expensive if you buy them new. I'm sure these ain't, you know, the up-to-date version, but they look in great shape. No cracks, no nothing. We had to do sway bar modifications if you wanted to run the panhard bar. If not, you could just run them how they were. Brackets for the e-brake conversion when you do the 5-lug swap in the rear, SN95s. And we still got some upgrades we want to do, some better struts and shocks. But for now, just a little something on the control arm upgrade we just made. And we're gonna get it back down on the ground, rotate the tires, and that will do it. So keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and I'll catch you on that next one. Peace.